I just fell off.
This fucker really did it. That fucking idiot. That fucking dumbass. Oh, that fucking retard. Damn.
Hear the sound I made when I fell.
No.
Yes, I did.
Oh my god.
My head hurts badly. There's no getting away from it either. There's a thumper and I got scared.
There was a thumper by us too.
Yeah, there was a thumper and I got scared, and when it chased me, I
This
panicked and
fucker
jumped.
took the honking horn with him too, didn't he? You fucker.
Now we have 4 left. Why? I'm done everything. Screw this.
Okay, bye.
You wouldn't waste money like that. Oh, you
I don't
found
know,
it.
it'd be pretty funny. Pretty funny. It's glowing through the fucking wall. What do you think?
If we get a shovel, can I kill him?
Oh. Away we go. Give me my horn.
No!
Okay.
No!
Both of you assume there ain't more where that came from. Fuck, I missed it.
Fine. Matters.
I saw that.
Start the ship.
Start the ship.
Ow.
Ow. Ow. Oh! We need the bees.
Open the door! Open the door! Trying to make us lose money.